Can we calculate expectation for the trade taken? So you can see here we have to calculate probabilities. All right. So simply we have to go to the short put, that is our short strike, and where is the in the money probability for this? ITM probability is 4.56%. Let's say 4.5%. For simplicity's sake, 0.045 into 36,000 is our max loss. So that is 1620, and 95.5 into 1428. So 1600 and 1360. So let's say minus 150 is the expectation for this trade. But as you can see that 36,500 is not the strike where you will make the loss. The maximum loss is at around 36,000. So 36,000, that is our long strike, and the probability of reaching that is 0.9%. Right. So you have to use this. If you use this, then 0.009 into 36,000. So 324 is the probability of expectation of loss, 324. So remember that, and 1428 into 95.5. So 0.955. So 363 minus 324. Expectation is plus 1000. All right. So this is how I prefer to calculate it. That's a positive expectation. It's quite good.